The Unihertz Titan 2 Elite is a unique and rugged smartphone that stands out in today's market because it combines modern Android features with a classic physical keyboard design. Built for productivity and durability, it appeals to users who want a device that can handle tough environments while also supporting efficient typing for work or communication. Its sturdy, industrial-style build gives it a strong, reliable feel, making it a good option for professionals, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone who prefers a more robust phone. One of its most distinctive features is the full QWERTY keyboard, which provides a tactile typing experience that many people miss from older BlackBerry-style devices. This keyboard makes it easier to write long emails, texts, or notes without relying solely on a touchscreen. In addition to its keyboard, the Titan 2 Elite includes a decent-sized display, solid battery life for extended use, and performance that supports everyday apps and multitasking. Overall, it serves as a niche but compelling alternative to mainstream smartphones, especially for users who value practicality, durability, and physical typing convenience.